Hello everyone. This question appears in class 7th NCERT chapter of fractions and decimals. This is second question of its exercise 2.2. So the question says that some pictures A to C are given below. Tell which of them shows. So here three equal parts, out of them one is shaded. So 1 by 3, 1 by 3, and here two part is shaded out of 3, so 2 by 3. So 1 plus 1 by 3 is equal to 2 by 3. सो ए हो जाएगा हमारा फिगर ए रिप्रेजेंट्स 1 by 3 into 2 means second. Here four parts, out of them three is shaded, so 3 by 4, 3 by 4, 3 by 4 is equal to, here four equal parts, out of them four are shaded, so 4 by 4, 4 by 4 plus 1 by 4. So here 3 by 4 into 3 is equal to 4 by 4 हो जाएगा 1 plus 1 plus, so 2 is to 1 by 4. So हो जाएगा it represents 3. So figure B represents option 3. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 equal parts, out of them 1 is shaded, so 1 by 5, 1 by 5, 1 by 5, and here 3 parts is shaded out of 5, so 3 by 5. So 1 by 5 into 3 is equal to 3 by 5. So it represents first. So figure C represents first. Thank you.